Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the neon mask effect on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So TikTok now has a neon mask effect, which basically makes your face wear a neon mask. So let me show you how to get this. So first we'll open up the TikTok app. Next, we'll tap on the plus sign to post a video or record a video. Here, I'll tap on effects at the bottom left. I'll then tap on search and we'll search for Neon Mask V3, so version 3. And within the search results, you're looking for this icon here, which looks like this, Neon Mask V3. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, the effect should become active, as you can see. Now you should see everything black and a neon mask on your face. The neon mask will alternate from different type. Unfortunately, you cannot choose the mask type. Now go ahead and create your very own TikTok video using this effect. And that is how to get the neon mask effect on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.